Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Style channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm doing a video collab with Tailored Canvas. They reached out to me. They asked me to shoot a video for them, a farmhouse entry. So I said, why not? So, you know, it's not the first time I work with them, though they asked me to do it. So I just want to bring you some ideas. If you have a farmhouse styles, how you can decorate your farmhouse. You know, I always bring ideas for you. Just search and imagine some great idea and then bring them for you into my channel. As you can see guys, this canvas, you can it's custom, you can do it as you please. As you know, I live in Southwest Florida. For those of you that new to my channel, I live in Southwest Florida, so I just ask them to do it to my liking. And guys, the back of the canvas is so nice, very nice looking, professional. You can hang it horizontal or vertical depend on the one that you order. As you can see guys, and I came here 2013 and everything is so nice. As you can see guys, this is my laundry room canvas that I ordered from them a while back ago. Super nice. If you don't like this one, you can always go to the website. They can do anything that you want. As you can see guys, the website, if you're doing your bedroom, you're doing your bathroom, anywhere, your living room, in any occasion, they have for you. You can custom it how you like it. As you can see guys, the website, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. In today's video guys, I'm going to do something very simple, and I got this box from Marshalls. And guys, I like them because you can put your keys or anything. So I don't like to hang my key in front of the door, so this one is a place for me to save it. And guys, this little cabinet, you can use it to put your shoes or anything you don't want to create a mess in front of your entry. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. I don't know about you guys, but when I was growing up, my mom always have me burn the bottom of my candle just to make it stay in place. I think I could share with you guys today. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below, what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Okay guys, the link will be in the description box down below. If you want to check the website out, feel free and make sure to buy to my link. Thank you so much. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.